Hey guys, it's Belle. So today I'm doing another Moon's Harvest Bath Bomb demo and review, and I'm doing Surfer Girl today in my mini 4.5 ounce size bath bomb. The viewer named BBB Dixon voted for this one, so thank you so much for voting. I'm really excited to give this one a try. So as I was poking around on the Moon's Harvest website, I noticed that this is not available for sale in a bath bomb, but you can buy it in a bubble bar. So I'm going to go ahead and read you the description for the bubble bar, and if you're interested in this scent, that is how you can still buy it. But just know that this would be like one of the seasonal fragrances, so I don't know how much longer it's going to be around. The site says that this fragrance is gnarly, dude. Salty marine nuances, bright grapefruit, white rose, creamy avocado, basil, California orange, Italian bergamot, and Sicilian lemon, followed with Damascus rose, clove bud, and lang lang. And it says that this product can vary in depth of color and hue, but again, that would be for the bubble bar. So I'm really excited to take the wrapper off and see what it smells like, so let's go ahead and get into it. Here is the Surfer Girl Bath Bomb unwrapped. It has two little flowers on the top, pink and green. It's a light blue shade. As far as the scent goes, now that it's unwrapped, I can definitely pick out more of those florals, but there is something very like beachy that it mentions those like marine nuances, those salty marine nuances in the description, and I definitely pick that out in here. I wouldn't say I'm getting so much of like the orange and the grapefruit that it mentions, but I can definitely pick out like the bergamot, a little bit of lemon, some of that basil. I'm also not getting the clove that it mentions, but I can pick out the rose a little bit, and some of that like liang liang, that essential oil. So let's go ahead and put it in the water and see how it does. And I hope that it turns the water blue. So let's hope for that. It's just spinning away. It is very, very faintly, I think, tinting the water. But it's just a very, very faint color, so I'm not seeing like a very vibrant blue or anything, which I didn't quite expect because it is a light blue. So it's nice though that it is tinting a little bit. I really like this smell. It's actually a little bit fresher smelling now that it's dissolving. It smelled a little bit heavier on the floral, just kind of straight out of the package. But now that it's dissolving in the water, it's even like a little bit more like fresher and summery kind of smell, but I'm not picking out the like grapefruit and the orange, those kind of fruity qualities. I'm not really picking those out. It almost has like a, not in like a really overly fresh way, but almost like a little bit of like a fresh laundry kind of smell, like dryer sheets, but not in a like clean breeze kind of way. It's not like that pronounced, but there's like a little bit of that edge to this, which I actually really like. Okay, you guys, the bath bomb finished dissolving, and I stepped away for about 2 minutes while it finished dissolving. For some reason, it kind of left a little like dot in the middle where it was still there, but you know, kind of still dissolving. So I let it go for about 2 minutes. I stepped away and I came back, and this is what I was left with as far as foam goes. So I have to say that the water did tint a really pretty, very light aqua shade, which is probably hard to see here, but it is a very slight bluish kind of aqua shade. So it did tint the water. But as far as the foaminess output that it had, and again, this is only a mini bath bomb, a 4.5 ounce sized one, it just kind of fell short for me just straight away. Just that's all I have left as far as foaminess. So that's not super impressive in my opinion, but the scent is wonderful, so I have to give 2 thumbs up for the scent. The foam is a little bit of a letdown. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get in the bath, and then I will give you my feedback when I'm all finished, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm all finished with my Surfer Girl mini bath bomb, and I just want to go ahead and start off by saying that I really liked this scent. Even though it's called Surfer Girl, I kind of found it to be just one of those scents that would be great for any time of the year. If you're looking for one of those clean, just kind of slightly aquatic, slightly fruity, and just a little bit floral kind of fragrance. So very nice scent. You know, what it reminded me of, honestly, if any of you remember Violet Lily Sky from Bath & Body Works, that fragrance, the dry down fragrance of Violet Lily Sky is what Surfer Girl reminded me of. So, I think Surfer Girl is more of a softer scent than Violet Lily Sky, and I think the Violet Lily Sky, that's like a tongue twister, I think that one is definitely a little bit sharper and definitely more floral, but for some reason I just found them to be kind of similar. So if you know that fragrance, that's what Surfer Girl reminded me of. I will say that it's pretty much true to form as far as the baby bombs go, that I didn't really get a whole lot of moisturization from it. So for that reason, I don't know if these baby bombs are going to be great for winter time or for long baths, just because I think the full-sized ones really have, they pack that punch of moisturization that the small ones really don't have, but your skin is still comfortable. I mean, you definitely don't feel dry, but I don't feel as moisturized as when I use a full-size bath bomb. So that was definitely the case again with this mini bath bomb. I was disappointed in the lack of foaminess, which I showed you guys. It just for some reason was a dud on the foam compared to the other ones I have tried. So I don't know why that is, but that was pretty much my only disappointment. But I really loved the color. It was a really pretty soft aqua shade, so I thought it was very pretty. And again, if you're interested in this scent, you can still buy it in a bubble bar. It is not available in the bath bomb, but I thought the review was still helpful if you're interested in the fragrance. So that is my review of the Surfer Girl scent, the bath bomb from Moon's Harvest. So if you're interested, please go ahead and leave a comment and vote for the next one that I do. So the choices this time are Lavender Blossom, Grapefruit Tangelo, and Ode de Moon. So thank you guys so much for watching and voting, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.